Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to create a simple look, a stay at home look. Please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, love you, stay tuned. As always, I brush my eyebrows upwards. So to draw my brows, I'm following the natural line of my eyebrows and I'm drawing my outline, of course. And to draw my upper line, I'm starting halfway, like always, from my natural hair. Yeah, so I'm going to join that to the down one. So to fill up my eyebrow, I like drawing this hair-like line, and I'm filling the other parts of it with my eye pencil. So I brush it again to fade off excess and to make it look more natural. So to conceal, I'm going to conceal this using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. I really love this concealer. I love the way it's easy to work on, and this is my favorite concealer actually. That's why I always use it every time in my video, and I recommend it for you, of course. So this is how I like doing it. You take your time, you conceal from the outline that you've drawn, and you go forth and forth and forth. You get the desired shape that you want. Yeah. So for today, I'm gonna be concealing my upper line brows with the residue from my brush. Usually I like doing this with a color that is exactly my shade, but today, being a very simple makeup, you don't need much product on your face, so this is how you're gonna do it. So now after doing this, I'm going to blend everything out. Actually, it's very good to blend, but before that you have to get the edge correctly, just like I'm doing it. When you've done that, you blend everything out. Blend everything. Don't ever forget to blend. It's very important. So blend it all out like I'm doing right now. So yeah, I'll be using the same LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and I'll be highlighting my face from my under eye to my nose and around my cheekbones and my forehead, of course. So before that, I'm going to grease my lips with this lip balm from Absolute Cherry Fruit Lip Balm, and I'm going to blend my concealer in order to highlight, of course. Yes, I'm going to blend everything out. This looks so beautiful, actually. Blend it. Make sure that everything is really blended out, every bit and every part of it. So today I'll be using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and today I'm going to be baking. Yes, I'm going to be baking the areas that I highlighted actually. Around that, I'll be allowing that to bake, but while waiting, I'm going to contour my cheekbones with this palette I got from Sleek Makeup. It has eyeshadow and blushes, and this pressed powder, and this one as well. So I'm going to brush everything out, of course. Then I'm going to define my nose using the same contour powder, and I'm going to draw the line, and I'm going to brush it off, like blend it immediately, if that makes sense actually, because I won't want it to stick. So making use of the same palette, Sleek Makeup, I'll be making use of the blushes in it. I'll be taking a very little. I'm taking the dark one actually. Everything is down below in the description box, guys, and I'm going to do that everywhere. So now I'm going to powder my face with this new powder I got, Kiss Beauty. I'm going to write down on the description box below as well. So I'm going to powder every bit of my face, including my neck. Yeah, like you guys know, I like doing that, and it's very important in makeup. So while I'm doing this and dancing to my tune, my music, I'm going to line my um eye. I'm going to use no, it's not Davis. This is not Davis. Okay, yeah, this is Davis number one eyeliner, and I'm going to dip it in my lip balm to make it a bit moist. I've actually never used this particular kind of stuff to line my eye or even create a wing. Is very difficult for me right now. I'm actually very nervous doing it, but I'm just trying to do it for you guys actually, and I'm going to take it very easy in a way, and you can learn one or two things from here. Just learn how to take things easy when you don't know exactly how to use it. You don't want to spoil your makeup, and you don't actually know how to do it. So this is how I'm going to do it. I'm actually very nervous. This is really not good, but I'm going to leave it for to try it again. So I'm going to line my waterline using the same shade. I'm not going to pack this there, but I'm going to make it to be visibly black. But I'm not going to pack it because I'm not going to apply any of that thing on my under eye, but I'm not going to pack anything there. I just want it to be this way, no packing, nothing. I'm just going to make it a black, natural black. So it's going to look a bit smoky, but not smoky. Just gonna make it look like overseen. Like you see my waterline, but you're not gonna see anything like smoky there. It's gonna look natural. So that's what I'm going for today. And I'm going back there again to line up that particular place. I'm actually very nervous. I don't know what I'm doing. All I know is I'm going to do something good, at least something that will look good. This is not my everyday makeup. Of course, I'm going to do that. I'm going to put the link to this particular video down below. Whenever I've done that, I'll show you. So this is the final look, guys. So I'm going to use my mascara. Who's that beauty mascara? I love that mascara. Of course, I've told you guys I love it. So I'm going to use it. This is actually a gift actually. So I'm like thinking, when this finish, how am I going to get another one? But till then, of course. So this is my Huda Beauty mascara. I'm using it to mascara, trying to create this. So we're not going on for any lashes today since it's natural. Okay, so for my lip, I'll be using this LA Pride lip liner and under eye pencil in the shade brown. Is a nude color. So I'll be using this. It has its number, but it has cleaned. I will have showed you, but maybe I'll still add it to the description when I get to know the number. Okay, so I wanted to create this umbrella look. I'm using this MAC lipstick. I had this lipstick for a long time. I've been using it secretly without telling you guys, but today I'm going to use it. I'm going to showcase it to you. So you blend, of course, and this is the outcome actually. But I like this glossy lips. It looks more beautiful and sexy and good. So you have it. This Shine Cessation classic product. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Love you more. Love you. Bye.